Hi, hello everyone, it's Kanda here. Thank you very much for watching my video this time too. Okay, let's learn something new about JiKyoJutsu. I'm supposed to continue from movement to 21. Yes, 21. Right. Okay, so 21, it's it's a kind of a light stretching. So 21 and 22 and the 23, it's kind of small group. So and one of the purpose is that stretching, light stretching. Okay, now 21 is bending forward and if possible, insert both of your fingers put together properly and both of your fingers under your toes like this. Then bend your knees a little bit and put your head to inside as much as possible. Then we count and at the same time bend back your knees. So each bending, bend back, ni, san, shi, go, rok, shichi, hachi, ku, ju. Okay, yeah, like this. So, if you're not if you're not flexible enough, you can just hold your ankle, or even the ankle it's difficult. You can hold around the calf, like this. Then, and keep your elbows, arms straight. Then put your head inside as much as possible. Then from this bending style, ich, ni, san, shi, like this. Right? Okay. So through doing this movement, you're having equally stretching at your back for back of your body, from here to even the neck, right? That's what you're doing, right? Okay. Then at the same time, now you're trying to change your circulation of blood and the circulation of ki. Ki. Ki is a spirit, or spiritual power, or air, or according to Oriental medicine, we believe about the ki. Okay, so now you're trying to change your completely circulation of blood and ki very quickly. So that's from because of this style. Okay, because of this style. So after doing this, I'm sure that you feel that your blood is coming to upper body, right? Okay, this is another purpose of movement 21, right? And okay, another thing is that okay, please put your knees together as much as possible, okay, and the feet also, right, put it together. So if you see this movement from the front, something like this, then from bending style, ich, ni, san, right? Okay. And it's a A normal count is to 10. All right. So please count to 10. This is 21. Right. Okay. And the 22. 22. It's I call balancing. I call this balancing. It's a 22. Okay. First, with your left foot, this angle should be 45. Okay, 45. From here to here, it's a 90. Right. So, in just half. All right. Okay. From here and your right leg, one step and another half step. You can see it. I hope you can see it. Now you can see it. From here to here, 45, okay? About 45. Then your right feet from here, one step, another half step, okay? And look at that left 45 degree, okay? And stand hip bones, right? Stand your hip bones, right? And put your arm on your waist. Then from here, it's a 3 action. From here to the front, this is first action. And the second action, from here to bend back, right. This is second action. And the third action, last action, is from here to the point where you start, right? So 45 on your left, 45 on your left. From here, first action, and from here to the back, that's the second action, and last action, okay? And we'll count each, ni, san, okay? Second time, so that's why ni, san. Now it's third time, so san, ni, san, okay? Then 4 に3 5に3 and 6に3 2. So 6 times. In English, 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 4 3 5 2 3 6 2 3, like this, okay? So in Japanese, 1 2 3 2 3. In my class, even for foreign class, in English, for counting, I always count in Japanese. So let me count in Japanese for this video too. All right. So after that, switch sides. Okay. So now right foot 45 degree here, 45 degree, and from here left foot one step and another half step, okay? Then so keep standing your hip bone. This is very important. Then put your both of your arms on your waist, right? Okay, and from 45 on your now right side, from here That's where you start. Then you can start. 1、2、3、2、2、3、3、2、3。Okay? Then 4、2、3、5、2、3、6、2、3。Okay? 6 times. Right. Okay. This movement is also very good movement, especially for your balancing and for your inner muscle, building for inner muscle, right? So many people do that, so one day when I get used to do this movement, many people do something like this. 1、2、3. Some people do kind of it's a reaction. So don't use that reaction, okay? So let's make it very clear. Let's make it clear for 3 actions. From here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, okay? And when you come back from here to here, and many people come back from here to around here, 60 degrees or even more than that, okay? So we start from 45 degrees. So from here to the front and back, then let's go back to 45, exactly 45, okay? Same as this foot, okay? Right foot. In this case, left foot. This case, left foot. Come back from here to here, okay? And another point, important point is that, yes, okay, first action, from here to here. And many people can't do, bring your belly to just exactly front. Some people do like this. Yeah, you look straight forward, but your belly, it's not under just exactly front. Here, right? Here. Well, it depends on your condition. So even you understand what I'm telling you, but maybe you can't do that. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. So later on, I'm sure that you can do that. But so please, remember your belly should be exactly the front. Okay. Right. This is important also. Then from here to second action, bend back, and when you bend back, many people bend your knee too, okay? Please don't bend your knee, both of your knee, right? Don't. Straight. Both of your legs should be straight. Right. Okay? Now, this 22 is also, movement itself, it's a simple movement, and it's not a big movement, just very small movement, but it's quite effective for your balancing, as I said, and for your building inner muscle, right? What else about the 22? I think that's about it. Yeah, okay. So now, 21, so I told you that the stretching for your back equally, and also now we are trying to change our circulation of the bladder and the kidney, right? Okay, so through doing 21, we brought our blood and the key to upper body here, and then bring them back to their whole body through 22. Okay, that's the combination. That's the combination. Because it's very important, the combination. And at the same time, stretching back of your body equally, and then after that, doing a 22, stretching, front of your body, equally. You see? So it's a very good combination. Then 23, okay. How to stand? It's a 60 degrees, I think you already know. You get used with it, 60 degree. Then, okay, keep your waist as long as possible, keep your neck as long as possible, okay, put your shoulder down as much as possible. Then, now, bending side, both sides, from left side, okay, then right side, 20 times. So from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I just did only 10 times, but normally 20 times. Okay, now, so about the stretching, I told you that through a 21 for your back, and through a 22 for your front, and 23, that's side of your body, right? Okay, point of a 23rd movement to 23rd, touch your leg, touch of your leg, and all the time, okay? Don't leave from your don't leave your hand from your leg like this, okay? Keep touching, keep touching, keep touching, okay? And bend as much as possible, right? Okay. Wow, this is also very simple. 23rd is a very simple action, but for our normal life, it's quite, for your, in our normal life, we have no chance, to give her, stretching for our side of our body, So it's quite unusual, right? So those three are, so, it's a very good combination, and a good stretching, and good, quick, and changing totally your circulation of your blood and your ki, right? So those 21, 22, 22nd, 23rd, it's a kind of a small group. It's a very good combination, right? Okay, so at this time, I think I finish here. So next time is I show you 24 and 25. All right. Once again, thank you very much for my video this time. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye.